If your wheels are so grim, even the Reaper wouldn't touch them, you need to use some Ruby Red wheel cleaner from Diamondbrite. It quickly and safely turns brake dust and other road dirt into a delicious red juice. Join me, traveller, as we clean this wheel. Delicious. Is it A positive or B negative? And then after a couple of minutes, just rinse the dirt away. If there are any stubborn marks, they can be removed with the Atlaster alloy wheel brush, which makes short work of these evil brake dust. Its plastic bristles are firm but soft enough not to damage the delicate paint of an alloy wheel. And should there be any lingering grime or parts you've missed by mistake whilst chasing a victim, you can finish off with Max Foam shampoo and a sponge. And finally, to allow you to sleep safely at night knowing your wheels have full protection in the darkness, spray on some alloy wheel shield which will prevent the build-up of dust, dirt, brake grime and other contaminants and make cleaning easier in the future. Spray on, rinse thoroughly with water and do not allow to dry. Observe the intensity of the beading, if you will. And to complete your task, take a microfiber terry towel and dry the spokes of the wheel to a beautiful sheen. And should you wish your wheels to look their absolute finest, then apply a coat of Replenish to your tyres for the best sheen. The wheel is now beautiful and drained of blood, I mean dirt.